I can hear you. Come on, make some noise, truckers.
We are here today at the 27th Annual Mother's Day Truck Convoy in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. We are here today to set a brand new Guinness World Record for the world's longest truck convoy. The current world record stands at 416 trucks, and we feel great about our chances to beat that. We're going for 500. We used to hold the world record in 2004. That same year, a trucking outfit in the Netherlands broke the record. This year, you've seen some red, white, and blue flags hooked up to every one of our trucks because we wanted to bring the record back to America, where a trucking world record belongs. And I gotta tell you, I can't tell you the final number, but here's what I can tell you. The current world record sits at 416. We printed over 500 Make-A-Wish banners to hand out, and they're all gone. We have no more banners.